Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about spray paint and how it's a DIYer's best friend. It can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So as you can see, these bar stools here, I got these from Overstock.com, and the legs used to be a lighter, kind of a grayish brown color. And they were the first furniture piece I bought for this apartment, so it was fine when they were the only thing in here. But when I started buying new furniture, they didn't match anymore. I didn't want to waste my money, so I went ahead and took off the legs and spray painted them, and now they are a closer match to how I'm decorating, and it worked out perfectly. This chair here I bought, and it was a perfect chair for what I was looking for, but the legs were gold, and I couldn't find anything with this chair type and style with silver legs or even clear acrylic legs that I was willing to pay for. Some of them were just way too expensive. So I went ahead and bought it and spray painted the gold legs silver, and that solved my problem because I spent a lot less. I no longer had to wait and try to find the perfect chair. I was able to go ahead and get it and make it the color I wanted. This mirror here I had for many, many years. I got it from the Bombay Company, and it used to be gold. But I've changed my style. I'm no longer using golds, and instead of buying a whole new expensive mirror, I just figured why not spray paint it silver to match everything that I'm decorating with. This curio mirrored shelf I've had for years as well. My mom got it for me when I was a teenager, and it used to be a cherry wood mahogany color. I'm no longer decorating with that style. So I figured I would go ahead and try to spray paint it silver. It was a huge, long, frustrating process. Wouldn't recommend it unless you're totally committed to something like that, but it ended up turning out okay. There were many times where I wanted to throw it off the balcony, but here's the end result, and you know, it's pretty good. This mirror here I got from the 99-cent only store, except for it was $7.99. They have a lot of things now that are no longer 99 cents. They need to change their name. But it used to be a white plastic mirror, and I decided to buy it and spray paint it silver. Came out pretty good. This was already featured in my mirror DIY, but I figured to throw it in here. It used to be gold. Along with this vase, also used to just be a clear, regular vase, and I spray painted it and glammed it up. So this is just to show you that you can do anything with spray paint, save yourself money, and make your home look glam. Thank you for watching.